Did you know there's a way to paint with wax at room temperature, no heat required? Enter Cold Wax Medium. Cold wax used with oil paint creates a matte surface and short paint body, perfect for impasto. It increases transparency and solidifies to a firm consistency that can be carved and inscribed. Wax remains soluble and shouldn't be varnished, but when dry, you can polish it to a high gloss. The fat over lean rule still applies. Use more wax in your top layers than in the base ones. Everbrand's formula is different, so check the label for mixing ratios. The most important rule: don't apply heat because wax mediums contain flammable solvents. The first cold wax medium, Dorland's, was introduced in the 1950s by an art conservator for protecting artwork. It was based on a combination of beeswax, microcrystalline wax, and damar. Artists quickly started mixing wax medium directly with oil paint, discovering new, unique effects. But it's not just for oils. Unlike most paints, alcohol ink adheres to it. Protecting art with wax is also making a comeback, with wax-sealed watercolor and gouache paintings, and coatings for ceramic, plaster, and wooden sculptures. It can be tinted with oil paint for a staining paste wax, perfect for picture frames or woodcraft. If you're seeking new effects for your favorite materials, or looking for alternatives to conventional mediums and varnishes, Cold Wax Medium can deliver.